on project number 3. We have another Challenger, but this is going to be a different Challenger. There could be an old school Challenger, the 08 to the 2012 Dodge Challenger body style. We're here at our body shop where they're about to get rolling on this bad boy. We're here, show them exactly what we want, how we got to get it done, and I'm telling you one thing, I guarantee that they're going to get it right. State your name for the camera.
Brian Hernandez.
Brian Hernandez. He got a shop here in Irving, Texas. He referred to me by our Street Fighter, which you gotta know him very well, man, but he crashed his truck the other day. He brought it here. He was happy. My other guy's okay, but you know, this guy could be better, and we want to give you something that could be top notch when we do it every single time. I'm gonna walk you through the shop. I'm actually gonna walk you through the car. I'm gonna talk some more info on the shop. This is the car we're talking about. If you know these cars, this is gonna be the 08 to the 13 Gen. You can talk a little bit different from everybody else. The 5.7 liter. He's already done the Demon Hood swap on the vehicle. This will actually be getting the wide body, which could be the first one that we're gonna do in the older Gen to the new Gen. And you can always tell it's the new older Gen by the tail lights. When you look at the tail light of this car, you see that they go completely across. That's how you can tell what this is the older Gen. But this one's gonna be coming out the shop very shortly. And I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm gonna do when I come pick up this vehicle. I'm gonna come give you guys a big reveal here of how it got done and what's going on with it to show you guys what, well, I can't show you the process because I want you to pay me to do it, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna show you how the end results are gonna be and we'll get you guys going. Juan today, he could be the technician working the car. I just told him to make sure that when he putting the wide body on, that you tighten the fallopian tube. It's important. You know what a fallopian tube is? Juan, how do you be a body man and not know what you guys, come here, man, who's the manager? You're the manager? Come here.
I don't know what that is.
You don't know what a fallopian tube is? You don't know? Okay. So we have a problem, guys. We're at the body shop and the manager and the technician do not know what a fallopian tube is. Well, who got your phone on you? Grab your phone and look up a fallopian tube. This is important because if you're gonna do this and you don't do it right, the car can slip and slide everywhere. It will not have traction if the fallopian tubes are leaking. You have to make sure they're dry. He's gonna show you what a fallopian tube is, look. Oh, shit. Guys, it's a twin turbo kit for a woman, that's all we're gonna say. But guys, we'll be back in a minute, man. I think guys get rolling. I'm gonna let them get back to work. We'll be back in a minute. All right, crew, so we are here right now, going to go pick up the white wide body from Phoenix, Arizona. We got the Vox wide body 2 wheels installed. We got Mr. Pops in the building, aka known as Bunzai. We are on our way to go pick up the car from getting the mounting and balancing done and get the car ready to go on a trailer to be delivered to the client that lives in Phoenix, Arizona. Been a pleasure working with the guy. We should have it out the door by this afternoon and get it ready for delivery, so I'll show you in a few. Okay, crew, because this is what's going on. I got here to pick up the vehicle. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek to see what y'all think. That's her. We have gotten the wide body 2 wheels on her. I'm gonna come up to y'all to see them. Wide body 2 wheels. Wide body kit, everything installed. This is actually the older Gen. We've done the wide body and we've done the front HELLCAT bumper, as y'all can see right here. This car is completely done and going out to Phoenix, Arizona tomorrow morning to get itself situated. So this is pretty much where we are on the wide body 1. I'm gonna do some little touch-ups in the shop, get it going, I'll be back. Hey crew, we are here at the final day. This is getting ready to go out to Phoenix, Arizona. We got this car situated, ready to go. The trailer should be here in a minute now to pick it up. I want to show you what we got done to her. Of course, we did the Flow Series in the headlight. We did the Flow Series in the Underglow. We did the HELLCAT bumper. Come here, guy, follow me along here. We also got the wide body kit. And guys, we also have the wide body 2 wheels on the vehicle. But this wheel is actually a wheel that's coming out to the market on most of the newer Dodges that are coming out. For next 2021, we have access to them. They're called the wide body 2 wheels, and we have them here. They come in black and bronze. So if you need them, give us a call. We can ship them anywhere nationwide. But we got them sitting on some 315, 35, 40 all the way around, so he has a nice wide stance. This will be going out to Phoenix, Arizona. Jason, want to tell you thank you for the opportunity we've had of being able to serve you in this car. And anything we could always do to serve you, you know, we're going to be here, man. We want to really tell you thank you as the owner of the vehicle in Phoenix. This car will be getting on the trailer. We're going to hell right now.
You get in an accident, that's what it's going to start doing.
Johnny, look.
It's falling apart.
It's coming apart, buddy.
No. Okay, hold on, y'all, record this. This is y'all, so y'all would see what the car would look like if he had a minor accident.
Oh.
That's what it would look like. Just letting y'all know.
What you think that's yourself? Or if I would have let my wife try to do a donut in the car. These are the two situations. It's so hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's melted down. But I'm gonna tell y'all another beautiful thing. Hey, crew, come over here, y'all. Y'all might be the crew.
Hey, the crew's gonna come up.
Alright, y'all, because this is going to be something pretty simple, man. It's been a long journey. We've been at a year. And it really takes a lot of people. I've learned through the years that you cannot have success if you don't have the right people around you, right? That's very important. People to keep you motivated, people to keep you going strong, people to keep... Dad, what you doing? Get over here. Yeah. I want to listen to you. No, I want you over here because you're part of this. You know what I'm saying? So the proper people, sometimes, man, I'm going to tell you something, no matter what you accomplish in your life, what you do, one thing I could always guarantee you that if it's going to be worth that fight from you, it's going to cost you a fight. And that fight, this has really been most of the team that's been with me over the time, man. Y'all know Mr. Real to Real. If you don't know him, it's about time you know him. Because in reality, this all started with him coming here and telling him, Jeff, get on the camera and this whole pushing on me. And even to this day, he still pushes me to try to do the best I can. So number one, honestly, first God, like I said, God the glory first, but second was Real for support. We got King Tony Snow in the building, man. He's one of my funniest guys up in the building. We got Mr. 728, so I got a little sneak peek. If y'all want to see my videos, if you see some of the better edited ones lately, because the beginning, just a little telltale, in the beginning I didn't know how to edit. He used to edit, listen, he used to do his video editing, and he used to get my footage and edit them too, to get me going on YouTube, just so you guys know. So all that happened. Then from there, we got 728 kicked in the building, started doing some edits for me, and I kind of had to learn my traits and do my own editing, so I'm doing it, but you know, this is the guy who does everything, if you don't know 728, man, but in reality, a great guy in helping this channel. My pops, this is my I don't want to get emotional with y'all, man, but this is my father, this is my best friend, this is my dad, this is my pastor. This is pretty much everything around me in my life. I'm not a perfect child, I want you to know. I still give him a to this day. But I do love my father, and in reality, my father's been one of the guys, man. When I was growing up, one of the things my father used to tell me, and he actually wrote it in my mirrors, is don't take no for an answer. And what that means to you, you're gonna look at opposition sometimes. Something's gonna come, you wanna accomplish something, and everybody can say, no, it's not possible. Well, guess what? That's when you push on harder, because it is possible. And all this determination and drive I have, I went to my dad and my mother. I love you, Pop. We got Mr. Y'all, this is so damn records. Y'all know who he is, man. But he lives in Longview, Texas. He doesn't live close to here, and he's here with us today. Jermaine is in the building of this whole YouTube and actually the shop. There's a lot of people out there that I also can recognize, but there's certain people that you just meet and they end up being like family to you. That you get something about them lets you be close to them. Jermaine, like one of my other ones. And this guy, come here. This guy here, man, I can't tell you in words how grateful I am for meeting this man that you see here, Brent. In fact, we met as customers, we ended up becoming friends. But more than just friends, this guy became family. Like literally, I tell you guys, he is family. And I give him a kiss too, because I'm grateful for this man. In this whole remodeling that we're doing, you guys don't understand what this man has done here. Today, he brought his own crew to come in, because my crew failed. He brought his crew, they put the sign up, and they did most of the stuff you have here, so I can't tell you how grateful it is. It's very rare. Tony came in today to put some work, we got the display together, but I'm grateful for the team that we have here, man. And babe, you're also part of this, so come over here.
Oh, but I have to take pictures.
Yeah, but you gotta come over here, man.
Okay, Chris, hold on.
When she come up, oh, let's leave, oh.
And for the finale, man, honestly, AUDIOZONE wouldn't, you know, probably be here and be as it is if it wasn't for my right hand. This is my right hand, my wife, my best friend. She's pretty much everything to me, guys, and I love you dearly.
I'm taking a fest. What did everybody eat?
Because they don't want to be next to you.
Ooh.
I don't blame you.
No, this is y'all moment.
Really?
This is a y'all moment.
So I want to thank you for everything, honey.
When you're born
We
with
have
two
our
left,
time,
when you're
y'all,
born
but
with two left hands, that's what it looks
Okay, guys,
like.
come on. Let's take pictures.
So let's come here, man. I'm just grateful. I'm emotional. Josh up to David. Oh,
Guys,
David,
come
he's over
take
here.
a picture.
You gotta put
Don't do that.
So
Don't
David
do
doesn't
that.
like to be on camera because he's American Warner number 6 because of this. But this is my other dude here from AUDIOZONE, man. Been with me for a long time. I got my crew. My crew, come here.
Hey, I'm gonna take a picture out of the way.
Huh?
All right, guys, get on in.
All y'all come over here, man.
Papa.
That looks like a replay of America's Most Wanted right there.
Don't even take the picture because we was having a speech.
He trying to get the footage.
No, I'm gonna have Mama go up there a little bit. This is just a
I
guy.
don't see her.
All right, guys.
King of cards right there. King of cards.
2 and 3.
King of cards right there.
Hi, y'all. So all these faces that y'all see, if you put the money bill you out, I guarantee we'll refund your money immediately. I guarantee the pockets will run around here pretty good. We got Adolfo, we got Josh, we had Drew with us until recently, but this is pretty much the team. We have Isaac, my son, which is going to run right now. We got Gayu, my chin, a couple other teammates that are not here right now. But this is what makes everything work here, guys. I mean, in reality, I count on my team more than what you guys understand. and they have took the job and really have took it to another level. So I'm truly grateful for y'all. Y'all are the reason that we have and we are accomplishing not only what we have now, but what we're going to be in the future, guys. Give me Josh. You can't speak off, man.
In case I didn't know, that dude's Puerto Rican.
Mama, if it wasn't because of Mama, none of this would even exist.
It goes into the difference. If y'all watch my videos, y'all see a video where my mom said to go kill myself. Have y'all seen that video?
Let me take a picture real
She
quick.
said if you're gonna die, don't die yourself. Have y'all seen that video? Yeah, well this is Mama. This is the Arthur of my life. She's the one that God put in the path to bring me to this earth, and I can't even tell you, my mama's been a strong woman her whole life. But Mama, I don't know about y'all mama, but Mama's the one that'll tell you how it is if you like it or not. She don't give a damn about your opinion. If you like it, you don't like it, she don't care, but you know what, she's actually been
That's
another
exactly
rock
what
in
you
my
gotta
life.
say.
He wanted to say that. He had to hold it in. Don't kick your ass.
And thanks to all of y'all. Let me know how big. So guys, we need to motivate my brother to buy a real car
Oh,
and get up in the speeding crew. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause, you know,
We got one for you if you know what I'm saying.
I just want y'all to know I'm working on the senior citizen plan, insurance. That's what I'm trying to keep.
Juan, go so I can take a picture.
Oh, fly.
Hey,
Okay,
take
guys.
a second real quick. Want to congratulate Jeff for working extremely hard, getting equivalent talent, people that are friends, people that understand his mindset, understood his vision, helped amplify his vision, understood and saw what wasn't made yet, and believed in him. And today we celebrate 10K YouTube. That's why. So I want to just come here to celebrate him because it takes talent and more importantly it takes a vision. Okay? There's always change. Change stands for choose happiness and never give excuses. That's what change stands for. And he decided to change the panorama of this business, and because of that vision, today we're celebrating 10K and we're getting ready to celebrate 25K, so
There
stay
you go.
tuned.
Stay tuned.
real soon. And if y'all need a motivation on Facebook, reach him at mr.1crew@gmail.
Now, do me a favor, and now that you're recording this, start making these damn shirts bigger so I can wear one.
There's a worldwide shortage of material. COVID-19, we don't have enough material to do it right now. But we'll get it to you soon.
You can't be doing these videos.